What is up, guys? Lim here. We are back with more Showdown live action, and today we are gonna be climbing to the top of the BDSP OU ladder using the Kings of OU. So yesterday we had showcased Cheetar, which is one of the not one of the it is the greatest mon ever to touch OU. And now today we are gonna be showcasing D Knight. D Knight is one of the mons which was released back in Gen 1, and till that D Knight has been a sheer force to be reckoned with. Yeah, consistently OU every gen. Yeah, except for the first two gens because yeah, it didn't have a really good move pool in the physical side. Outrage wasn't there in the first gen, and then gradually as the gens progressed, D Knight started getting stronger, and now finally in BDSP it's a force to be reckoned with. Yeah, D Knight also shared its amazing spot in the top in Sword and Shield OU. Yep, it was very high in usage as well, and now D Knight is, I think it's literally one of some of the few of the best mons in BDSP OU. So yep. Before we begin our live, guys, we are on the road to 5k. So if you're enjoying my content, because I'm uploading 1 to 2 videos daily, serving hot and fresh content, heated up contents exclusively from the industry, head over to my channel, hit that sub button, and feel free to leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the video, that is. So alright, let's begin our climb to the top using a very powerful team. Yeah, as I said, these teams are all no joke teams. I myself use this team in tournaments, and it's gonna be absolute destruction today. We got a game versus this I know this guy. I know he is a very stall player, but I don't know why he's using this kind of offensive team. He's literally a huge stall player. He's a stall noob basically. So the Infernape lead maybe. Yeah, rocks are a very big problem to my team. Manaphy is also a huge problem. Manaphy is a huge problem to my team. How do you want to lead up this game? Like, I can't lead up with my D Knight and E Speed twice. I don't see E Speed resist. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna lead up with the D Knight. He leads up with the Nape. I think this Sash name, so let's E Speed this twice and kill it off. Yeah, I'm E Speeding it. He has to go to the Luke. If he goes to the Luke, I don't mind. He goes to the Espion. I think he's yawning or doing some bullshit. Okay, I want to defog him. Yeah, I know he's gonna yawn. I want to turn on this boy. Yeah, perfect. And here, what I want to do here is, I want to get my Toxivo activation. I think he has Psychic, so I'm gonna go to my Shizzer. Yeah, I know he's a Psychic. Let's turn on this bad boy. Yeah. He goes to the Gaia. Yeah, I have my Rotom, I can. This might have sub, so I'll volt out. This might have sub. Yes, sir. Get the hell out of here. No, you have the stupid sub. Okay. So I think it can't touch my Breloom, right? I'm pretty sure he can't touch my Rotom, so what I can do here is I can go to my Breloom. And I'm gonna throw a Seed Bomb on this bad boy. Let's throw this Seed Bomb. I think this should break. I'm not sure how much bulk he's running. Okay, he's running a lot of bulk. But still, I don't think it can touch my Rotom. Hit is up. Now I can pretty much sport him. Yeah, I can sport him. I love these open books. I love ratings. Let's sub. Go for the free sub. Wanna Seed Bomb him. Yeah, Waterfalls. He's gonna do some good damage. Now 51. Okay, he got absolutely destroyed. Let's Seed Bomb him. Hope he doesn't flinch me. Oh yeah, I forgot. These noobs always flinch me. Thank God he does. I don't need my Breloom that much. Absolutely don't need my Breloom. Yeah, I wanna Seed Bomb this bad boy. He can kill me if he wants to. I don't mind. Okay, since he doesn't want to kill me, let's go to my Shidzer. I can go for the turn. Yeah, he can go Psychic. Let's go the turn. Now, what don't I want him to set up with? That Manaphy is a huge problem. Okay, I think Manaphy is a big problem. I think whatever it is, I think I go to my Rotom. He might go to the Venomoth and I volt out. He goes to the Luke, I burn it. He goes to the Venomoth. Yeah, I thought he might go to the Venomoth. Let's volt out. Yeah, let's volt out. Oh, we crit him. So now, I wanna go to my Shidzer. I hope it's not like Sleep Powder. Oh, perfect. Yeah, perfect. VPM 43. Oh, yeah, this hell over. Absolutely destroyed. Absolutely destroyed. Piece of trash. He got destroyed. He got absolutely career ended. Yeah, he got career ended. Body bag. Absolutely body bag. Let's get the next game. Yeah, let's keep this. Let's keep the dead body side by side. Yeah, This team struggles with rocks. This team struggles with rocks a lot. Rocks is a huge weakness for this team. Wait, I think I don't have a shiny. Is my Caesar green? PDSPOU. This is my Caesar shiny, shiny, shiny. Oh my god, I don't have a shiny. I like green Caesar a lot. Green Caesar looks so cool. Yeah. Let's get the next game. This Vesper Queen, this Vesper Queen princess looks so cool. This Vesper Queen looks so cool, right? This golden hair, and I don't know what she is. This is her tongue, or is she eating something? Is she eating a piece of meat or something? Can't even understand. She's eating a piece of meat, and she has this four white red wings and a crown on the top of her head. This red eyes looks so cool. Shout out to whoever has drawn this. Looks really awesome. Okay, while we wait for a game, as I said in my channel, we do not skip waiting time and stuff. We always wait till we get a next game. We wait till we get a next game, and let's watch some games. I think we should get some 1300 plus games. Pretty sure we won't get 1500 plus. So Tweedle, we Needle. Let's see. Okay, Trick Room versus okay, kinda triple psychic spam team, or double Trick Room. I think it's also Trick Room. It's gone look 25 to the crest. 20 I was close to. What is this? This mental hub crest, right? Yeah. Okay. So this was double Trick Room. This was single Trick Room. What am I saying? We got a game versus. Oh my god, so much background noise. Haha, I knew he was gonna go the turn. He has never played Blitzing, and I pretty much put something to bed. And yeah, something is going to bed, except maybe a lump chomp. But I don't need my Breloom is absolutely useless this game kinda. So yeah, pretty much I can put something to sleep. Why wouldn't he Flare Blitz? Because the team is designed with this way. If he Flare Blitz, he's thinking that I go to my D-net and start D-dancing up. He didn't Flare Blitz. So okay, perfect. Free sub of my life, and we can throw some punches. Okay, I think he's turning here. I can go for one more sub. Okay, Blades. So now we kill it off. Now we kill this nape off. Yeah, Hella is gonna die. He's gonna get absolutely smashed. Oh god, so much background noise. He's playing really well. He goes to the Azu. I don't have a lot of played up switching. Like if he belly drums up, I have my E speed into BP, so I think I can. And I don't think he can knock my what to say. Oh my god, he's banded. I think we are slower than this, so I can like the bullet tries to chip it off. Yeah, get some decent chip. 210. Don't know how much speed he's starting, but Gengar looks hella free. And Shadow Ball should cook this. Send this packing. And as long as oh my god, yeah, sleeping Chomp 010 sleep. Shitzer, I don't know what this Shitzer is, but yeah, kinda kill it off. The Shitzer can be very scary. This is like SD. You SD, bro. Oh, bye bye. Yeah, this is dead. And I think he lost to E speed. He kinda, yeah, he lost to E speed and yeah. Okay, I get his team. He's a, what to say, he's a mono bandit team. He's a mono bandit team. This was potentially bandit. This is bandit. Okay, he's a mono bandit team. Yeah, his team is pretty shit to be honest. If you're running a mono bandit team, make it at least good. Oh, this is why his rating is so low. Pretty shit for a mono bandit team. Also the Azu. I think you don't never live this E-speed. You are a bandit D90, yeah. And he has to lock himself into E-speed, and then I think my Mammy will live every E-speed from the D90. He has to lock himself into E-speed, and it won't kill me. Or he does that. He does that, and I kill him up with my Mammy. Yeah. D-Knight is so good, man. D-Knight killed so many monsters. This E-speed priority, this banded E-speed, it hits like an absolute truck. Yeah, pretty much. One more. Dead bodies. Get the next game. We are so high. Dead bodies lined up. Let's line up the dead body. It will take some time to get a game because we're kind of high in the ladder. So that's yeah. 1300s. Do we have 1500? I don't think so. We'll get yeah. Okay, well, this one. Hey hey ho 25 versus Sam and Spud. Okay, we got a game versus Tour. Okay, we have to be very careful this game because yeah. Double Dragons versus. Okay, he's a classic drag mech. Classic drag mech. So what you want to do here is first I scratch my hair. That's what I want to do first. Huh. Uh, I think I lead up with my Rotom on the Latios. Oh, perfect. Let's burn this bad boy. Yeah, I want chunk on this. I want good chunk on this. Protect up. Alrighty, I wanna pump you if possible. This will do a ton. Oh, he's some bullshit. No, okay, then we can hold out, I guess. What the hell does it hit so hard? Wanna go to you. I know I'm faster than this, but I wanna let's go with the earthquake. I know I'm faster. Yeah, this is gonna get. This is a fizz depth seeds are okay. Point noted. This might have what I'm not sure what this might. Let's. I think I need my Mammy healthy. Let's go to my Rotom on potential reduced. Okay, perfect. I want to burn this, but I think I have Hydro Pump here on the zone. Perfect. Yes, sir. I want to kill this off. I want to just kill this off. This is a huge problem. I don't know how much speed it's running, but I think I can protect once maybe. I have showed the protect, right? I don't want to choke to my Mammy. I think I want to protect once. T-Bolt. I think he should flash cannon right here. Okay, perfect. This gun is really good. This gun is amazing because my Shizar cannot pretty much wall the Lathi, and not the D Knight. Goes to Gliss. I think yes, this is indicating knockoff. I want to protect for the knockoff. I don't think knockoff kills me, but I don't want to take any sort of risk. I need this. I kind of need my. I mean, I don't need that much, but Rotom is really good. Rotom. Okay, I think I don't need my Mammy item. I don't need the Never Melt Ice. What I can do here is I can get my shits up here on the Shitzer, and I want to do here is this is a defog. I'm not sure. Let's go to my on his turn. Perfect. Okay, I want to scout whether this is defog or not. Okay, he gets his rocks, and now we kill the Gliscor. We kill the Gliss. Let's kill this Gliss. Gone. Oh, max BDF. Okay, perfect. Yeah, this I will take this trade any day. I'm ready to take this trade any day. So 13 think I can go to my. Oh my god. How the hell does this? Is this some? I think this is not even like 244 HP. This is some bullshit set. Not sure of its HP. This HP. She says 100, right? Do I earthquake here, or think I earthquake and choke? It's such a bad play. This earthquake is never the play. I knew. I'm gonna crash this boy. Yeah, I knew. I made a shit play. This was never the play. Never the play. This was never the damn play. I knew this was never the play, and I lost. Yeah, I lost. I made a shit play and I lost. That was never the play. Never the play. But my D Knight looks kind of good, to be honest. I can go to my Shidzer and I can defog here. I don't mind this. I don't mind this hit. Sack my Rotom. Misses the pump. He's T-bolting here. Or he's psychicking maybe. Or he sacks that. Oh, that's best case scenario. He sacks the Starmie for no absolute reasonless PP here. He sacks the Starmie for no absolute reason. Goes to the D9. This is a huge problem. You have to turn on this. Okay. Reach the speed tie. I have to reach the speed tie. Gone. I had to reach the speed tie. Didn't have a play. Oof, this took so much. It goes for the SD. Okay, I know what to do versus you. He roosts up, so let's sack my Rotom. I think I sack my Rotom here, right? Okay. Bullet Punch will not kill me. Yeah, this won't kill me. This will do jack damage. And we burn this boy. Yeah, I wanna protect once. U-turns. I can save my Rotom if I wanna, right? But I think I want the H-pump damage. Or that. I don't want anything. I lied. Oh, this is perfect. I'm thinking. The knock is so damn annoying, man. 210. I think this is running a lot of speed. No, I mean this is running 0 speed, but it's faster than my Loom. That's the biggest problem. Stealth Rock, Earthquake, Knockoff, and all that stuff, right? This Latios is 95 burned. Shits. Okay, I think I get a sub up first, if possible. Please don't knock me. Go to the Latios something. And don't knock me, please. Oh, I don't think you can break my sub. Do not think you can break my sub. Yes, sir. Oh my god, this is so good, man. This is the best case scenario. This is the best case scenario. Amazing. Yeah, and this is over. This hella over. Oh, this hella over. That was the best case scenario. I think I sub once. Yes, and now he can't break my sub. Seed Bomb. I don't think Seed Bombs kills this, but... Oh my god, what the hell is he doing? What the hell is he doing? What did this boy do? Oh my god. Choke. Why did you set up the suicide rocks? Come on, dude. You are not soling my Loom with your burnt scissor. You're gonna get smashed. And you lost to E-Speed. The D-Knight will come and eat you up. Oh my god, what the hell did he do? What the hell did he do? This poor child. He had the game and he threw like anything. He had the game, but he threw like anything. Yeah, let's sub up. Just in case. Yeah, even he misses the Draco. Let's punch this Lottie in the face and send it packing. Oh my god. He went into a choke phase. Like, he had such an amazing matchup. He just had to trap my Shidzer and he could like spam Dracos and spam outrages. Instead of that, what did he do? He outraged with his D-Knight for no reason. Absolutely, he took a hit with his Lottie for no absolute reason. He sacked, he went for the recover with his Starmie for no absolute reason. Like, what the hell did he do right now, dude? Yeah, and he turned into a body bag. Let's get the next game. Let's refresh. This battle also got over. I think we'll find in 1300. So, let's see. Colonel Rival, the real big C. I like Colonel Rival's team. Anything, yeah. Because I don't like any of the teams. I lied. Yeah, teams with Latios, I'm not a big fan of running Latios. Yeah, I don't think it's stable for the meta. Latios is extremely, extremely overpowering for the meta. Oh my god, yeah. And neither am a fan of HD on this speed up streets. He's gonna get burned. And now, yeah, does he need the clef? He doesn't need the clef. He can sack the clef and then he can sack the clef and then kill it off with the gliss. Okay, we got a very MV as MV Zangus or Joey Zangus. I don't remember the team, but yeah, this is very scary. This Shucklemon is very scary for me. It's a Specs guard as well. I think so. It's a Specs guard. Ah, Manaphy under webs. Oh my god. Have to get rid of the webs. He leaves up with a Shuckle. I want to sport this boy right off. Sub up. Oh shit, I dropped mine. Okay, it's okay. I wanna bomb this boy. Let's bomb. He lost his HP. Seed bomb him. Okay, this Shuckle is 110 sleep, right? I don't wanna go to my Shidza straight up. I think he's shadow balling here. I don't need my Breloom that much. I think I prefer to sack my Breloom pretty much, yeah. I wanna does he have taunt? Nice. Yo, you are band chomp or something. It's very scary. Not a big fan of this matchup. Fire blast, okay. I wanna this Draco chomp, right? Hydro ones. Oh, perfect. Don't be some dirty roll. Okay, we miss. 2 times he's waking up. I think we are the yeah, no one is more unlucky than us. We are the most unluckiest player. We miss the hydro pump. Oh, now he goes to end my life. I think I have to Volt on here. I don't have a play. Okay, if he plays like that, then no one can save him. He made a good play and then he made some shit plays. Yeah, no point, right? No point making this play. Yeah, I think I pretty much here that Zangoose is gonna eat me up. Do I bomb and bait the Shidzer? Do I bomb and bait the Shidzer, or do I focus blast? Do I ball? I think I have to ball here. Yeah, because I don't wanna. Yeah, it can invite in the Zangoose. Yeah, if he SDs and CCs me, yeah, he's gonna send me packing. I have to get rid of these rocks. SDs, I think he's gonna CC here. Yes, sir. Oh, facade or that. I wanna say this sludge bomb sends you packing. Yes, sir. It definitely sends you packing. Goes to the Shidzer. I have to pull up a defog. I don't do. Do you leave a brick break? This is the biggest question. Do you leave a brick break? Or the best thing is go to the Rotom. Yeah, go to the Rotom. Let's wisp him. Oh, does 0 damage. Pump him. Oh, he's running a super fast Shidzer. He might exceed a brick break. No. Okay. I think I'll go for the double protect. Oh, okay, perfect. My Mammy looks really good, so if he goes to the Chomper, yeah, he might be Yache Chomp, but okay, he's Fire Blasting, right? I think I E-speed into Shard. Oh, okay. Oh, no problem. Yeah, I know what to do. I hope he's a Scarf, right? Let's Shadow Ball him. Oh, boy. Oh, hold the phone. He's Scarfed. Okay. I'm pretty sure you are in shard range. We are never melt ice, so I'm pretty sure you're in shard range. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're in shard range. This Gengar is in shard range. I can bet this Gengar is in shard range. Yeah, I'm sure this Gengar is in shard range. Here, yeah, let's BP. This Gengar is in shard range. I can confirm this Gengar is in shard range. Regardless, I will run the calc. I will run the calc. Gengar. Yeah, oh, you substitute whatever, and we have Mamoswine, you Wall Breaker. We are Adamant, not Life Out. We are never melt ice. Never, never, never melt ice. I want to see how much ice shard does. Yeah, 49 to 59. Obviously. Never, never. GG. And let me just show him the calc. We are at 1674. Okay, we will keep the windows open, right? So yeah, let's find one more. How much are we at? 26. Yeah, we can find one more. Powerful, powerful teams. All powerful, powerful teams. One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four. All five lined up. What is this? This is the showdown. Okay. What are you gonna do? We are gonna watch a game, right? Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. BDSPOU 1500. Any going? 1300 plus. What's the highest rated? 14. Okay. Real Big C is thinking like, who is this stalker? Stalking him. Oh. Okay. These are all tournament teams, by the way, guys. Also, yeah, also that road I have started road to top 10 with PokeM. So episode was on his channel. Episode 2 will be on my channel, and episode 3 will be on his channel. We are planning a lot of stuff. Yeah, we are planning to not just climb to top 10, but bring a lot of heat. Uh, Real Big C. Also, while we get a game, let me show you my BDS pickup tool. Like yesterday, like yesterday, I had showcased the T-Tar, right? So I had showcased the T-Tar live. So yeah, the T-Tar team, and I said I will be using the tournaments. I will be using the team for tournaments for my BDSP tour, and I used it versus Finchinator, the tier leader. And yeah, while we are searching for a game, right? Yeah, we got a game. Screw it. Oh, so Real Big C was battling this guy only. Now he comes to us. What is lead up choice? What is gonna be his lead? I think my Rotom is a fantastic lead. I lead up in the Rotom. Rise in Rotom Wash. Rise in Rotom Wash. Back in DPP, Rotom was Ghost Electric, and now Rotom is Water Electric. Tom Tom. Tom Tom lead. Let's start with the trick. Volts out. Let's wisp him. Oh my god. Offensive Rotom. No problem. I want chip on this Lati. Oh my god. This whip's damage was so crucial. Psychics me. Oh man. I think it's gonna trick me, right? This psychic damage was hella crucial. What he can do is let's turn. Okay, let him burn me. I don't mind. Go to my Breloom and I can get a free sub. I don't mind the burn because it's a speed up Caesar. Its job is to gain momentum. Let's pour him. Sub up. Oh, let's punch this boy in the face. Punch him in the face. Oof. Yeah, this is why the burn chip would come in handy. It's a Hexmagius, I believe it's a Hex. Oh my god. Have to turn. I want to turn. This is gonna be a momentum based game. Okay, perfect. Go to my D Knight and he should scuff the fire punch, right? Double to my Rotom on the Donphan. Yeah, perfect. And here I wanna wisp this boy. Oh, perfect. Hit. Let's get some chip. T-bolts me. Okay. I wanna. He knows I can double to the Mamo, so let's Hydro Pump him. On the Tom. And yeah, I wanna scout what he goes for now. I know you're choiced. I can double to my Mammy. I know you're choiced. Lock him up. Watch the Shadzer. This Shadzer is a huge problem. Except I have my Rotom. He might defog. Okay, toes on the turn. To his little miss. Okay, this is a nasty plot miss. No, I cannot give him any quarter, and I will not claim something. This Drapion is dead. I think Hex is a really nice play. Nothing is taking this Hex except I think Donphan. Yeah, I mean that Drapion. Yeah, you get tweet code. Your speed F is just shit. Oh, is max speed F road Drapion 32? Or whenever he goes to Drapion, I get a free sub, right? Yeah, I get a. Oh my god. I think yeah. Is it sleep talk? No freaking way, right? This mon is very important. Watch me throw the game right now. Can't I get a 2-turn sleep ever? Why am I so unlucky, man? Can't I ever get a 2-turn sleep? Why am I so unlucky? Let's ice shard. Yeah, I absolutely threw. Now I lose. The best play would have been to I could go to my Rotom, I could go to my Shadzer, I could go to anything, but yeah, I decided to make the worst play and I kinda threw. Now that Miss Megas is looking like a devil, absolute devil, monster. That Miss Megas turned into a monster right now. Protect once. Hexes me. Don't think Hex will do much, so I can like volt out from here. It doesn't do much. This one 25, I think 30. Okay, good damage. I wanna go to my Mammy. Don't need my Mammy that much. I wanna crash him. He can wisp me. Or he sacks the Miss Maggie as huge threat. Yeah. What I'm going for my E-speed endgame. I'm going for the E-speed endgame. So Earthquake him. Oh. No, this was not the play. This was so not the play. Was a big fan. I wanna crash him. Oh, come on! Come on, man. Come on. This was so crucial. This was highly crucial. But we are faster than this. Oh my god, he gets up the shits. Crash him. Yes. Earthquake you. Let him BP me. I don't mind this BP. Yes, Latios is burnt. This. Okay. I run a quick Hulk in my head. Defog and turn. He might be SD. I don't mind the SD. I am a slow Shadzer. He can SD, but yeah, my Rotom. This doesn't matter at all. This doesn't matter at all because I have my D9 and I can like punch him in the face. Or yeah, this is gonna die. Your choice bandit. Yeah, this is why the burn damage was so crucial. I can go to my Breloom and he can't do Jai. Something is sleeping, going to bed. My Breloom will solo him now pretty much. Yeah, let's board him. Sub and punch this Shadzer in the face. This is offensive. Let's punch this boy in the face. Oh my god, why am I so... Oh my... yeah, he threw. It's a devastation. Body backed. This would have been a 6-0 except if I played this patiently. But yeah, 1683. Oh my god. We smashed everyone. All body backs lined up. Started with this piece of trash. Lined up. 3. Lined up. And there is one more. We played 6 games, but I can't find the... Did I close? Oh, okay. How much are we at? 34. I think this should be a perfect time to end the live. Perfect time, yeah. So the very, as I said, this is a very powerful team. Very powerful team. Which I'm gonna be using for tournaments. Strategically designed and made. And also, I'll be sharing this team with you guys so that you guys also can climb up to the top of the ladder. So yep, guys, just head over to my channel, hit that sub button and leave a like for amazing teams, and most of the heated contents are being exclusively from the industry. And most importantly, guys, stay safe. Wait, it's not over. I'll explain how this team works. So basically, the team is a Voltan team. So your main goal is to like you have a slow 0 speed, negative IV Shadzer, speed up Shadzer to U-turn, and you have a fizzed up Rotom. Yeah, this Shadzer and Rotom code, this defensive code is so nice, and the best part is you turn or you volt out, and then you bring some of the mons which doesn't have switches in this tier. First one is Gengar. Gengar doesn't have a single switch in this tier. Yeah, don't say Blissey is switching to Gengar. Blissey can't do jack to Gengar. And Blissey gets tweet cured by Focus Blast. Blissey gets destroyed by Focus Blast. Not tweet cured if you get a speed up drop, but yeah, and also you can throw sludge bombs for poisons and stuff. And Blissey is not that high in usage right now, so yeah, Gengar doesn't have a switch in. Second one which you would like to bring is Mamoswine. Mamoswine has only one switch in the tier. Only one. That is Rotom Wash. And Rotom other forms, they are extinct. No one is running Rotom other forms, and other switches to Mamoswine includes nothing. Everything gets destroyed. Mamoswine has no switches in the entire tier. Yeah. Skarm is not a Mamoswine switch in. Your Nevermelt Ice, Adamant, Icicle Crash, one flinch and Skarmory will be crying. Caesar is not a Mamoswine switch in. As I said, Caesar is running Speed F nowadays, and Earthquake will tweet kill every form of non-defense invested Caesars. Earthquake, and you will always leave a Bullet Punch. Bullet Punch does like 60. Except the life of variants, the offensive variants. Defensive variants, Bullet Punch can kill you, and to offensive variants, Earthquake will do like 75 to 80% damage. You just smash them. Look at this Monstrex 130 attacking stat, 394 coupled with Nevermelt Ice. You can run life up if you want to, but I think I need Nevermelt Ice because I don't want. I need Mammy to take at least 1 or 2 hits. Mammy, yeah, it has decent bulk. 110 HP, 80 defense is no joke. It takes Banded, Earthquake. It takes a Banded Earthquake. It takes a offensive bullet, non-life of Bullet Punch. Yeah, decently bulky. So yeah, Mammy, and then the third thing which have our late game cleaner, D-Knight. You rarely gonna click Earthquake, but Outrage, you are gonna click Outrage. So let me tell you how D-Knight works, Banded D-Knight works. Outrage is for panic situations. Earthquake, I mean Outrage is like the emergency button. Whenever you're in trouble, close your eyes and click Outrage, except on fairy types. Close your eyes and click Outrage. You will get saved from every emergency situations. Every emergency situations, you click Outrage and you're gonna get saved. From most situations, you're gonna get saved. Outrage is like that panic button. So in this game, let me see that where is that game? Where is the D-Knight game? This game. See, let me show you the panic button. See here. Here he went for the Outrage, and here I'm in a bad spot, right? Because nothing can OHKO this D-Knight. And Mamoswine can't kill this D-Knight because his multi-skill is there. So what did I do? I went to my D-Knight and I clicked the panic button. And before that I got the multi-skill. And I wanted to scout. For the damage as well. And here is what is this game? No, not this game. Let me see which game was it. Was it this game? I clicked the panic button. Which game was it? Let's see, was it this game? Let me see. BP, Garchomp, E-Speed. No, not this game. Which game was it? I clicked Outrage in panic. Through the D-Knight. Not this game. I think I closed it maybe. I can't even remember. Was it this game? I clicked the Outrage in panic. Yeah, this game. See this game. Yeah, my everything is low. Nothing can revenge kill the D-Knight. My Rotom will die. See, he clicked Outrage and here panic button time. I go into my D-Knight and I click the panic button and I got rescued from the situation. His biggest threat is gone and pretty much now he can't kill my D-Knight. He can't kill my D-Knight pretty much. So Outrage is like the panic button. Okay, let's get back to team building. So yeah, you have a Voltan core, you have 3 breakers and Breloom. Breloom is like the mid-game momentum giver. Breloom, it just destroys almost every core. Breloom is a destroyer of defensive cores. Because like most teams will run Clef Blissey or Clef Quaggy or Clef Gliscor cores. Breloom will sit on Gliscor's face. Breloom will sit on Blissey's face. Breloom will sit on Clef's face because it has sport. And Breloom will devastate defensive cores. Yeah, you can pretty much like versus Clef. You can sport sub and you can like pretty much wish stall or moonlight stall them and pretty much take them out of the game. So yeah, this is the team. Amazing, a Voltan team with breakers and a cleaner and a mid-game momentum destroyer. So yeah, you can use it. I will keep the link in the description for you guys to use it so that you can get better and keep smashing the ladder. Okay guys, we are done for today, and most importantly guys, once again, stay safe guys. Bye bye.